Hey guys, happy holidays in advance. Ever wondered what is the best laptop today? Today, I want to share with you some amazing revelations on the amazing MacBook Pros 13, 15 and 6 inches. Amazon's killer MacBook Pro deals are by far the best thing going on this holiday seasons. Apple's MacBook Pro is undoubtedly one of the best music-making laptops that you can ever buy right now. Amazon is currently offering some insane deals on all MacBook Pros. This is by far one of the best Black Friday deals this season, all the way to Christmas. This news might interest not only you, but your family and friends as well. Barely 2 weeks out from the biggest ever shopping event this year, and already Amazon is offering some insane discounted prices on the current 13-inch and the 15-inch MacBook Pro models. There is therefore no legit reason for anyone to wait any longer. Maximize this opportunity that Amazon is offering, and you will be glad you did. Christmas is come early for the MacBook lovers out there. Just in case you have been looking for a sparkly brand new laptop that will comfortably run the latest DAWs and Plugins, then we got you covered. A powerful laptop to edit your latest guitar vlogs and tour diaries with great ease. The announcement of the new 16-inch MacBook Pro might significantly reduce the prices on the 13-inch and 15-inch models over the next few weeks or even months. Let's look at these amazing MacBook Pro laptops. 1. New Apple MacBook Pro 13-inch, 8GB RAM, 128GB storage. Technical details. MacBook Pro 13-inch with Touch Bar, Touch ID and 2 Thunderbolt ports. Display. 13.3-inch diagonal LED backlit display with IPS technology. 2560 by 1600 native resolution at 227 pixels per inch with support for millions of colors. True Tone technology. Processor. 1.4 GHz quad-core Intel Core i5, turbo boost up to 3.9 GHz, with 128 MB of EDRAM. Graphics and video support. Intel Iris Plus graphics 645. Charging and expansion. 2 Thunderbolt 3 USB-C ports with support for charging, DisplayPort. Thunderbolt up to 40 gigabits per second, and USB 3.1 Gen 2. Wireless technology. 802.11 AC Wi-Fi wireless networking IEEE 802.11a per gram N compatible. Bluetooth 5.0 wireless technology. Inside the box or package. 13-inch MacBook Pro, 61W USB-C power adapter, USB-C charge cable 2 meters. Height, 0.59 inch or 1.49 centimeters. Width, 11.97 inches or 30.41 centimeters. Depth, 8.36 inches or 21.24 centimeters. Weight, 3.02 pounds or 1.37 kilogram. Customer reviews. I got my MacBook from Best Buy about 5 months ago and I love it. I have not had any issue with it so far. The butterfly keyboard issues have yet to happen to me. The computer is super fast and it's great for use as a programmer, by Kevin Hernandez. Love it. This is the lowest price I find for the newest MacBook Pro 2019. Review after 2 months of use, by Charles. Amazing screen. The True Tone technology is very useful. The touch bar is easier to use than what I thought, by Charles. I was pretty skeptical after reading the other reviews, but the price was pretty good, and Amazon has always been a secure source to buy from. So I ordered mine Friday, it came today. I got exactly what I paid for. I'm definitely happy with the purchase. Not going into specific details about the laptop itself, because there's a million other detailed reviews of it on YouTube, mainly just writing a review to explain my purchase experience. By David Robinson. 2. Apple MacBook Pro 15 inches Core i7. Product information. Style, 2.8 GHz i7, 16 GB, 512 GB SSD. Capacity, 2.8 GHz i7, 16 GB, 512 GB SSD. Technical details. Screen size, 15 inches. Screen processor, 2880 by 1800. Processor, 2.8 GHz Core i7-4980HQ. RAM, 16 GB DDR3. Memory speed, 1600 MHz. Hard drive, 512 GB solid-state drive. Graphics co-process, NVIDIA GeForce GT 750M. Wireless type, 802.11 ABG. Average battery life, 8 hours. Hardware platform, Mac. Operating system, Mac OS X. Item weight, 4.46 pounds. Product dimensions, 9.7 by 14.1 by 0.7 inches. Item dimensions, LXWXH 9.73 by 14.13 by 0.71 inches. Color, 15 inches 2.8 GHz, 16 GB, 512 GB solid-state drive. Processor brand, Intel. Processor count, 4. Computer memory type, DDR3 SDRAM. Flash memory size, 512 GB. Hard drive interface, ATA. Batteries, 1 lithium polymer batteries included. 3. New Apple MacBook Pro 15-inch, 16 GB RAM, 256 GB storage. Technical details. Apple MacBook Pro 15-inch with Touch Bar and Touch ID. Display. 15.4-inch diagonal LED backlit Retina display with IPS technology. Native resolution at 220 pixels per inch with support for millions of colors. 16:10 aspect ratio. Processor. 2.6 GHz 6-core Intel Core i7 Turbo Boost up to 4.5 GHz. With 12 MB shared L3 cache, Turbo Boost up to 4.8 GHz, with 16 MB shared L3 cache. Graphics and video support. Radeon Pro 560X with 4 GB of GDDR5 memory. And automatic graphics switching. Intel UHD Graphics 630. Charging and expansion. 4 Thunderbolt 3 USB-C ports with support for charging, DisplayPort, Thunderbolt up to 40 gigabits per second, USB 3.1 Gen 2. Wireless. Wi-Fi, 802.11 AC Wi-Fi wireless networking, IEEE 802.11a B/gram, N compatible. Bluetooth 5.0 wireless technology. In the box or package. 15-inch MacBook Pro 87W USB-C power adapter, USB-C charge cable 2 meters. Height, 0.61 inch or 1.55 centimeters. Width, 13.75 inches or 34.93 centimeters. Depth, 9.48 inches or 24.07 centimeters. Weight, 4.02 pounds or 1.83 kgs. Customer reviews. 1. I received mine last week and I love it. Slick, fast, excellent display, good sound quality. Warning, there is a review that says it's a 6-core processor, which is absolutely wrong. The MVP i9 has an 8-core processor, by Fabio Zedesiman. 2. This thing is fast, looks great, works great, and has a slim profile. It's expensive, but I didn't get it to save money by Ryan E. Lewis. 3. Everything in this laptop is great, great OS. Performance is super great, setup is a breeze, the system starts in 10 ms. Detailed review coming soon, by Guntur Mann. Conclusion. Apple's 15-inch MacBook Pro is soon to be overshadowed by the 16-inch masterpiece. Following the grand announcement and release of new 16-inch MacBook. Click on the links below in the description and you will be redirected to Amazon. Choose whichever Pro MacBook that suits you and get your discount ASAP. I believe that any of these laptops can really deliver on their promise. Make use of the Black Friday and the coming Christmas holiday seasons. Do not forget to like or comment on our videos. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel. smash that notification bell, so that you will be notified whenever we upload another video. Bye for now.